Hi, my name's Tom. We're redoing our kid's bathroom here. We've got a brand new vanity down here. We've got a brand new sink top, and we wanted to go ahead and get a new mirror. This is the mirror we got from Amazon. We were a little nervous about it, but it works great. This is the, let's see here, 48 by 36 version. This is nice and big, 3 feet by 4 feet all the way across. I want to kind of show you the edging here. It is rounded, it's nice and metal. It just feels really, really good. You can kind of see me there in the mirror. It's hard to describe how clear this mirror is. We had an old 25-year-old mirror and it had great big thick glass and a protective film behind it. This doesn't have any of that. It's actually just a really, really good mirror. It does have some weight to it. This is a big one again, 4 feet by 3 feet. That's pretty big, but it does work really, really well. It's nice and crystal. It's sharp. It's just a brighter mirror. It's just a newer mirror, I guess. I don't know what it is. It's pretty thin. I want you to see here, here's how thin it is, but also the mirror itself does not cover the whole side. There's actually kind of a gap back there and I can't really get it off the wall right now. It is a little bit heavy for us. We put it on. So 2 things just to know. There are just some big hooks on it. There are big brackets on it. So the big brackets in the back are actually tied into the frame. So that's nice. They're actually nice and secure. And then you can hang this both horizontally the way I have it or vertically up and down. There's a bracket on that corner, a bracket in that corner, and a bracket on this corner. So you can kind of hang it vertically if you wanted to. So we just hung it up here and we kind of put it right against our vanity just to kind of put it there. We didn't really have any space underneath. It just works really, really well. We like it a lot. It was shipped via Amazon. We were scared to death of this, but I think this is just one of those mirrors that's not going to break. It was packed really well. It came in, it was really, really easy to open. Just opened the box up, took it out, no problems whatsoever. It was in a protective bag to keep it from scratching. We had no problem getting it here from Amazon. It was just, I was really, really pretty impressed that we could get a mirror like this from Amazon. It just works really well. It looks great. It hung really easily. It does have some heft to it because it's so big, but it's a quality mirror. It's not a little fly-by-night. It's not some cheapy plastic thing. It is metal, glass. It's a really, really nice mirror, and it's highly recommended.